I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF on your phone. It's incredibly convenient to handle important documents directly from your mobile device, saving you time and effort. We'll explore straightforward techniques that allow you to add your signature digitally, eliminating the need for printing, signing by hand, and then scanning. This process is quick, efficient, and can be done from virtually anywhere, ensuring your documents are processed without delay. There are a few excellent ways to sign PDFs on your phone. Many smartphones, like iPhones and Android devices, come with built-in markup tools that let you draw directly onto documents. Additionally, numerous third-party applications, both free and subscription-based, offer robust PDF editing and signing capabilities. You can also use popular cloud services that integrate document signing, providing flexibility across different platforms and devices. Let's walk through the general steps to sign a PDF. First, open your PDF document using your phone's native viewer or a chosen application. Next, look for a markup or signature tool, which is frequently indicated by a small pen or pencil icon. Once activated, you can use your finger or a stylus to draw your signature directly onto the document. Finally, remember to save the file, often as a new version, to ensure your original document remains untouched. To get the best results when signing PDFs on your phone, here are a few helpful tips. Always strive for clear and legible signature. Practice a few times if needed. It's also a good practice to save a copy of the signed document for your personal records, perhaps in a dedicated folder. If you're using a third-party application, take a moment to review its security and privacy settings to protect your sensitive information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.